Cats are natural hunters, and their predatory instincts are deeply ingrained in their behavior. One of the most intriguing and sometimes perplexing aspects of feline behavior is when a cat appears to hunt its owner. This can manifest in different ways, such as stalking, pouncing, biting, or ambushing from behind furniture or under beds. While this behavior may seem playful at times, it is actually a combination of instinct, social interaction, and environmental factors. Understanding why cats engage in this behavior requires looking at their natural hunting patterns, their relationship with humans, and the ways in which they express their energy and instincts in a domestic setting. Cats are obligate carnivores, meaning they rely on a diet primarily composed of meat, and their bodies and minds are adapted for hunting. Even though domestic cats are fed by their owners and do not need to hunt for survival, the hunting instinct remains strong. In the wild, cats hunt small prey such as rodents, birds, and insects, relying on a specific sequence of behaviors known as the predatory sequence. This sequence includes stalking, chasing, pouncing, capturing, and finally delivering a killing bite. When a cat hunts its owner, it is often reenacting this natural hunting cycle, with the human serving as a substitute for prey. One reason cats engage in this behavior is the need to practice and maintain their hunting skills. Even though domestic cats do not rely on hunting for food, their instincts compel them to engage in behaviors that mimic hunting. This is why cats frequently chase toys, pounce on moving objects, or attack feet and hands when they are in motion. A cat's brain is wired to respond to movement, and anything that moves unpredictably, such as a person walking past or wiggling their fingers, can trigger the predatory response. Kittens, in particular, are more likely to hunt their owners because they are still learning and refining their motor skills. Young cats use play to develop coordination, strength, and bite control, and they often engage in mock hunting behavior with their littermates or human caregivers. This type of play serves as an important learning tool, helping them develop the skills they would need to hunt effectively in the wild. Even adult cats continue to engage in these behaviors as a form of physical and mental stimulation. The relationship between a cat and its owner also plays a role in this behavior. Some cats see their owners as part of their social structure and may treat them similarly to how they would treat other cats. In a multi-cat household, cats engage in mutual play, fighting, stalking, and ambush games with each other. A single cat, however, may direct these behaviors toward its human companion instead. Since cats lack an understanding of the difference between human skin and another cat's fur, they may bite or scratch more aggressively than expected. The time of day can also influence when a cat exhibits hunting behavior. Cats are crepuscular animals, meaning they are most active during dawn and dusk. These are the natural hunting times for wild cats, as many small prey animals are active during these hours. Owners who notice their cats engaging in stalking or pouncing behavior in the early morning or late evening are likely witnessing an instinct-driven burst of hunting energy. Lack of stimulation is another reason why a cat may hunt its owner. Indoor cats, especially those without access to interactive toys, scratching posts, or other enrichment activities, may become bored and seek out alternative ways to expend their energy. In such cases, a moving human can become an easy and entertaining target. This is especially common in households where a cat does not receive enough playtime or structured activity throughout the day. Providing interactive toys, puzzle feeders, and scheduled play sessions can help redirect this energy away from unwanted hunting behaviors. Certain triggers can also prompt a cat to engage in stalking and pouncing behavior. Fast movements, such as running or suddenly turning a corner, can activate a cat's predatory instincts. Similarly, dangling hands, tapping feet, or fabric that moves unpredictably, such as a flowing skirt or blanket, can resemble the movements of prey animals, enticing the cat to chase and attack. Sometimes, hunting behavior can be a sign of overstimulation or frustration. A cat that has excess pent-up energy, particularly one that does not have an outlet for its natural instincts, may become more prone to pouncing or biting unexpectedly. This can occur when a cat is left alone for long periods without interaction or when it is not given an opportunity to release energy through play. Cats that exhibit sudden bursts of aggressive play hunting, often referred to as zoom eyes, are typically experiencing a natural release of built-up energy. While most instances of play hunting are harmless, there are cases where a cat's hunting behavior can become problematic. Some cats may develop a habit of attacking their owner's legs, ankles, or hands too aggressively, leading to scratches or bites. This can be particularly concerning in cases where the behavior escalates to the point of causing injury. Teaching a cat appropriate boundaries through redirection and consistent play can help curb excessive hunting behavior. For example, using toys that mimic prey, such as feather wands or interactive laser pointers, can provide a healthy outlet for hunting instincts. Cats may also engage in predatory behavior toward their owners due to underlying stress or anxiety. If a cat feels insecure in its environment or is experiencing changes in its routine, it may resort to behaviors such as stalking and attacking as a coping mechanism. This can be seen in situations where a new pet is introduced into the home, when there are changes in the household, or when a cat feels its territory is being threatened. Recognizing the underlying cause of stress and providing a stable, enriched environment can help alleviate unwanted hunting behaviors. Breed differences can also influence how frequently a cat exhibits hunting behavior toward its owner. Some breeds, such as Bengals, Abyssinians, and Siamese cats, have higher energy levels and stronger hunting instincts than others. These breeds are more likely to engage in stalking and pouncing behavior as a form of play and may require more structured exercise and enrichment to prevent them from directing their hunting instincts toward their owners. In older cats, play hunting behavior may decrease as they become less active, but some senior cats continue to exhibit these instincts, particularly if they have been highly active throughout their lives. However, if a previously playful cat suddenly becomes more aggressive in its hunting behavior, it may be a sign of an underlying medical issue, such as pain, cognitive dysfunction, or sensory changes. In such cases, a veterinary evaluation may be necessary to rule out health concerns. Understanding why cats hunt their owners helps cat owners recognize that this behavior is not a sign of aggression but rather a natural instinct that needs an appropriate outlet. By providing interactive play, environmental enrichment, and a structured routine, owners can ensure that their cats have healthy ways to express their hunting instincts while minimizing unwanted pouncing and biting behaviors. Whether through toy-based hunting simulations or engaging play sessions, allowing a cat to fulfill its natural predatory drive in a controlled manner can lead to a happier and more well-adjusted feline companion.